Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. I discuss some knowledge about Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Date of birth of Muhammad, peace be upon him, is 571 AD in Makkah. Father name is Hazrat Abdullah. Mother name is Hazrat Amna Bibi. Grandfather name is Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. Uncle name is Hazrat Abu Talib. Foster mother name is Hazrat Halima. Year of Nabuwwat 610 AD. Year of Hijrat 622 AD. Year of Wafat 632 AD. 12 Rabiul Awwal. Age at the time of Nabuwwat 14 years. Children of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. आप सलाम के sons थे हजरत अकासिम, हजरत इब्राहिम, हजरत ताहिर, and daughters are हजरत फातिमा, हजरत जैनब, हजरत रुकैया, हजरत उम्मे कलसूम. Where did Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, live throughout his life? First 53 years in Makkah and last 10 years in Medina. Next question is, give the name of the person who had first of all verified the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The answer is Warqa bin Nawfal. Next question is, give the year in which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, died. On 12 Rabiul Awwal, 11 Hijri, 8 June, 632 AD. अल कुरान. अब हम कुरान के बारे में कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे. Al Quran, it is the holy book which was sent by Allah to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number of surah in Holy Quran is 114. 114 surah are in the Holy Quran. Name of paras in Holy Quran are 30. Name of ayat in Holy Quran are 6236 or mention in some books the number of ayat are 6666. मतलब 466,666. Number of ayat in Quran is 6,666. First surah in Holy Quran is Surah Fatiha. Last surah in Holy Quran is Surah Nas. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Today I